Donald Edward Muffley, machinist mate, second class. And we then, after I got graduated from the Great Lakes Naval, we went then, I was transferred to across the street to a machinist mate school. And we had a break for Christmas and New Year's, and I think we started sometime in January school. Then for being in a machinist mate, I had no idea what it was. I thought I wanted to be where I would operate like lathes, drill presses, and stuff like that, which I found out that that wasn't what it was. A machinist mate, you're down in the engine room, and you are responsible for the generators which you would fire up to generate electricity for the power of the ship. I was also a throttleman on the ship. We had 3 valves. One was for forward, one was for reverse or back, and one was a warm-up valve to warm the turbines up. So that's where the machinist comes in. You learn whether it's what kind of a turbine. There's a pressure velocity and the other just pressure. And then you have to understand where all the valves are and what they do. So that you have to work on a steam line, you need to know what valve it is to turn the steam off so you do not get scalded. Which I did once because the drain backed up. And I got a little sunburn on my arm, but when you graduate from a school, there's always a bunch of billets, and you can select what billet you want. And the billet for was the Hector. I had no idea what the Hector was. I didn't even know it was a repair ship until I got down there, because I had no idea what a destroyer was or anything. And so by picking the Hector, it was probably a grace of God that I got what I could do, what I was trained to do in high school. And then I was out and went home on leave. That's when I then went to San Diego to meet up with the Hector.